at the Haitian festival. Happy Haitian Flag Day to everybody that is Haitian. Why are you peeking through the window?
Southeast is more pretty.
This is Southeast.
No, that's not Southeast.
We out here, we outside. I'm gonna show y'all everything. It's giving. I wanna move out here. What is up, YouTube? What is up to the YouTube? Yes, I'm back with another video. Hey, back with another video. Hey, you guys, Charlene here, and today I'm back again with another video for you guys today. I'm in Miami. I'm on my deodorant. It's kind of like still there in a way. I gotta clean that up. Didn't see my last vlog? Make sure you guys go watch that because like I did a whole video day in the life or whatever. The OOTD outfit is from Fashion Nova, sandals from Fashion Nova, bracelets from Fashion Nova. So we are about to go out today. Why are you peeking through the window? Can I have privacy, please? Thank you. It's so humid out here. Like when I tell you my leave out has been turning into like crunch balls, like literally, because that's how humid it is out here. But I love it a lot. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. It looks so pretty. I gotta take pictures. Like, what?
I'll say it again. You made my life complete. David Grovem na douti frem.
At the Haitian festival, y'all. It is Haitian Flag Day. Happy Haitian Flag Day to everybody that is Haitian. It is Haiti Independence Day, May 18th. Huh? Yeah, we don't wear nothing to represent Haiti, but it don't matter about what we wearing. It's just a matter of the fact that we out here, we outside. I'm gonna show y'all everything. Right here. If I'm gonna stand, The strip. Why didn't we come here? We always want to be with Haitian instead of coming here.
Market Street out. No, that's not. South Beach is more pretty.
This is South Beach.
No, that's not South Beach.
Yes, it is.
South Beach, gotta go South Beach.
There's an iguana, or this like a lizard. I don't even know, but it's some type of reptile, and it's so green and pretty. I would go over there, but they scared. So this is the best I could get. Yeah, they fast and they scared. So it is the last day out here in the beautiful Miami. It's the last day. We just got done eating at the restaurant. They chilling right here for what? I don't even know. We got to return our rental back at 3:30. Right now it is 2:04, so we got time. I'm lit. I was in that bar at the restaurant drinking. But no, for real though. Yeah, it's been lit. It's been a great trip. I really enjoyed it. I'm most definitely gonna be back. I'm even thinking about considering doing medical school out here. So I don't know, I just love the vibe here. I love Miami. Miami showed me so much love. Like I love it. I love it. I love it. I only see myself living in 3 places. Like after college, after I graduate next year, I'm an undergrad. I only see myself living in either Nevada, California, or Miami. No other state. I just don't see myself there. Like I love it here. Like I honestly do love it here, and I feel like I fit in so perfectly, especially within the Haitian community out here and everything like that. But it's been a beautiful, good trip. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are getting ready to catch our flight tonight at 6 p.m. So we got to be there a little bit early. Plus return the car, of course. We got all of our bags and stuff packed up and everything in here. So we are going to head out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Peace out.